In this video, I will show you how to add custom fields in Zoho Desk. First, log into your Zoho Desk account. Now, go to the top right corner and click on the settings icon. Once you're redirected to the settings board, scroll all the way down until you see the customization section, then click on layouts and fields. On the left side of your screen, you will see a list of menus. Click on Fields List. This will show you all the available fields within your Zoho Desk setup. At the top part of the screen, click on Create or Edit Fields. You will find three main categories: Add Fields, Unused Fields, and Custom Fields. Each of these options allows you to modify your form depending on your needs. You can drag and drop fields, rename them, or add completely new ones to fit your workflow. Once you've made your changes, you can click the preview button on the top to see how your setup will actually look. And that's how to add custom fields in Zoho Desk.